Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crochet cover designs, beautiful designing ideas, beautiful crochet cover designs. So friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and stylish crochet cover designs. Every type of things crochet cover designs, beautiful designing ideas, decorated with flowers, beaded stones. See beautiful designs and beautiful ideas, crochet patterns. Those ladies who love such type of crochet patterns, crochet cover designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful cover designs, then you will contact on some numbers, some websites like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your home with your crochet cover designs, beautiful designing ideas, crochet jar cover designs, bottle cover designs, beautiful designings. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.